Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Emirates NBD Bank. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL emiratesnbd.com. So once you get into the website, click on the little icon at the top right. Then choose online banking. Once you do that, you'll need to enter your information that you used to log into your Emirate NBD Bank. So first thing you need to do is enter your username. After you do that, you'll have to enter your password. Once you fill in your information, click on login in order to log into your Emirate NBD Bank. But if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on forgot username or forgot password. Or if you do not have an account, click on register for online or mobile banking. Once you fill in all your information, click on login in order to log into your Emirate NBD Bank. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Emirate NBD Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.